Welcome to BiographyBin YouTube channel. Our channel not only going to cover biography of human but also other living creatures and non-living things. In today's video we are going to see about the most sold out phone in 2021, which is iPhone 12. We will see about the 10 unique special features about it in our video. Let's get into the video. The iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini are coming in 6.1-inch and 5.4-inch sizes with identical features. The 10 special features of iPhone are: Number 1. Support for faster 5G cellular networks. They are much faster comparing others. Number 2. OLED displays makes users so comfortable for using and clarity is too good. Number 3. iPhone 12 has the A14 Bionic chip as the fastest chip in a smartphone. Number 4. They have improved camera features: 5 times digital zoom, 2 times optical zoom, image resolution as 4000 into 3000 pixels. Number 5. The iPhone 12 waterproof tech can survive up to 6 meters of water for 30 minutes. Number 6. Ceramic shield with 4 times better drop performance. Number 7. The operations it can do per second is 11 trillion, and that is quite a number. Number 8. The edges are finished by aerospace grade aluminum. Number 9. Sensors used are Face ID barometer, 3-axis gyro accelerometer, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor. Number 10. We can use nano SIM cards and eSIM cards. So having these many features, Apple holds a constant stand in the market. That's all for today's video, pals. If you liked our content, give thumbs up. For more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and push the bell button. Have a great day, friends.